This is an original Ferrari battery charger. Power supply is connected, but it doesn't light up. Let's open it and check it out. We can see that some of the resistors are burnt. Now we need to replace all the damaged resistors. So first, measure the resistors with our multimeter. The value is within normal range. This should be between 0 and 1 ohm, so this one is not good. This one is broken. This one too. Next we measure this component. This one is also burned, that's why it doesn't show up any value here. There is 0.5 volt here. This was broken, so we have to replace it. This is a 470 ohm resistor. Let's replace it with a compatible one. 0.47 kilo ohm, that's correct. This should be 68 ohm, so it's broken. Now we need to replace the resistance. Last step, reassemble and give it a test. Now charger works fine. All solved.